Hey everyone, it's Nick from Bitcoin Magazine here, and today I'm going to be showing off our very own custom built node case. So let's get right into it. So before we get into it and actually build it and put a node into it, I want to give a huge shout out to CryptoCloaks for 3D printing this himself and sending it over to us. He didn't have to do this. He just did this out of the kindness of his heart. We didn't pay him to do this. We didn't ask him to do this. So huge shout out to CryptoCloaks. Give him a follow on Twitter. His link will be in the description, and let's get right into the build. So getting right into this build, we have 4 different pieces that we're gonna remove. Here's the bottom. That's what the bottom looks like. And in here, we're gonna put the hard drive with the adapter facing out. And then on top, we're gonna put this piece. Now in these 4 little spaces right here, that's where we're gonna put the Raspberry Pi, and we're gonna line it up the best we can. And then right on top of this goes this piece. And right in this space is the option to put a fan if we wanted to, but we're not gonna do that in today's show off. And then the top piece goes like that. So now all what's left is we have these 4 screws for each one of the corners, and that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna screw them in real quick. So this is the finished product. As you can see, I couldn't get in a screw here or here, but that's totally fine because these 2 hold it together completely nice. And this is what it looks like. Again, a huge shout out to CryptoCloaks for making this and sending this on over to us. The video's not done yet. Flip from Bitcoin Magazine took a bunch of great photos of this product, and we're gonna do a little slideshow to end it all off. So I wanna thank you for watching and see you guys in the next one.